Alright, welcome to another video. Now let's simplify this expression. Okay, so we have 2 log 243 to base 3 minus 3 log 1 on 27 to base 3, and we have minus 3 log 9 to base 3 on log 125 to base 5. Now solution. Now before we proceed, now when we have log x to base x, the answer is 1. So logarithm of a number to the same base as the number is 1. Now this property is very, very powerful. Okay, now when you're given log 6 to base 6, the answer is 1. Okay, so we are going to use these properties here. Okay, this side will be 2 log 3, okay, 243 raised to half, because square root of n is the same as n to the power half. Okay, minus 3 log, so we have 1 on 27, so let's keep it, minus 3 log 9 to base 3. So let's write this 5 because of the base 5. Let's change this one to 5 to the power 3. 5 to the power 3. Now when we're given log x to the power p, the same as p log x. Okay, p log x. So this side will be 3 log 5 to base 5. Alright, and we have another one here, so the half will come here. Okay, so we have half times 2 log 243 to 243 base 3. Okay, now let's change this one to 3 to the power 3. Okay, so minus, and I think this one can also be changed, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 39, 90, 27, 81 times 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 3 to the power 5. Okay, so 3 so 1 on 3 to the power 3. So minus 3 log 3 squared, that is 9. So so we have, look, the 3 here, okay, will be 3 log 5 to base 5. So the denominator here will be straight away 1, and this one will cancel this, so I'll be left with, remember the 5 will come here again, that will be 5 log 3 to base 3 minus, and this side will be 3 log, so don't forget this one will be 3 to the power minus 3. we have that. So minus 3, and the 2 also come, times 2 log 3 to base 3 on 3. Okay, so let's go again. So this one will go 5 minus, so this minus 3 will come, that will be 3 times minus 3 log 3 to base 3 minus 6, so this side will go on 3. So we have 5 minus, so this side is minus 9, and this one will go, so that will be minus 6 on 3. That is 3. Okay, so we have 3 here. Let's write the final answer. So the next step will be 5 plus 9 minus 6 on 3. Okay, all right, so let's put them together. We have 14 minus 6 on 3, so that will be 8 on 3. All right, so that's the answer. Okay, so we have 8 on 3. Okay, so subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. All right.